Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a website using AI prompts. First of all, open ChatGPT, Cloud or another AI website builder. Now, describe the website you want to create. Include details such as design, style, color, pages, features and target audience. The AI will generate website code and structure based on your instructions. Review the generated website and make adjustments through different additional prompts. You can continue refining the design until it matches your vision. Once finished, publish the site using your preferred hosting provider. And that's it. That's how to create a website using AI prompts. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.